Good morning students, I am Atul Vikram Garoda from Gyanodaya High School. Today I will be teaching you the next exercise of whole number, which is 2.2. So here today we will be discuss the different properties of whole number. There are various operations which we do with the whole numbers, and to solve those operations we use some properties. There are three main properties which are commutative property, associative property and distributive property, which are commutative, associative and distributive. Please note it down. What are the what are the formulas we will be using? So I'll give you first formulas, then I'll solve some examples, then you will understand this property works, how this property help us to solve the whole numbers. Okay, so for addition and multiplication of whole number, there is a property which is called commutative property. When you add a plus b, whatever answer you will get, that will be equal to b plus a. Okay, just a small example. 2 into 2 plus 3, which is 5, or we can do like this, 3 plus 2, which is 5. Similarly, I'll multiply like this, 2 plus 3, which is 6, or 3 into 2 is 6. So this formula is called commutative property. Even though you are changing the places, or even you are changing the places and the value is changing, the answer is coming same. Now, what is the associative property? Let us see. A plus b plus c. You can write b plus c plus a, okay, or a plus c plus b. How? Associative, like I'll add a plus b plus c, or b plus c plus a, or a plus c plus b. Whatever I'll do, in this associative property, what I'll do, I'll take first two values, I'll add them, and after that I'll add with the third value. You understood? Similarly, this application is applicable for multiplication also. Now, what is the distributive property? Let us see. A into b plus c. So here I'll multiply like this, a into b plus b a into c. So these are the formulas for the properties. How? You understood? Commutative property, here I have changed the places, still I am getting the answer same. Associative property, here I am choosing some separate values. First two values I am taking, then I am adding with the third value, and I am getting the same answer. And the third property, which is distributive property, here how the value is distributed. Here it is multiplied a with the addition of this number. Let us see the example. Suppose a is 2 and 3 plus 5, which is 2 into 8, which is 16. Now I'll apply here 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. So the value of 2 into 3 is 6 and value of 2 into 5 is 10. The answer I am getting is 16. So these are the properties. These are very easy. We have already discussed in our previous year classes. In our fifth class, in fourth class, we have discussed this property. So now I'll be giving you few examples to solve this problem. Start. So I'll start with exercise 2.2. The first question is, find the sum by suitable arrangement. All the three properties which we have discussed, we have to see which property will be easy or will be applied here. So let us see. Here I can see a plus b plus c. So I think here we will be using what? Distributive property. Sorry, associative associative property. How? I'll arrange in such an order that I'll get a 1000 here. So when I'll be adding with the third number, it will be easy for me. When I saw this one here, 7 and 3, which will come 0, then 837, 363, which is 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 I'll carry here, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is 0. Then how much it is coming? 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 1, 12. So it will be very much easy for me to add with these hundreds. So let us see. I'll arrange in such a order. Now what is the answer I'm getting? 1200. When I'll add this 1200 with 208, what is the answer I'm getting? 1408. How? 1200 plus 208. 8 plus 0 is 8, 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1. So by using the associative property, I have solved this question. So the next question will be like this. Find the product by suitable arrangement. Product means we will be multiplying here. So the first question is 2 into 1768 into 50. So by using associative property, I have to solve it in such a way that I'll get a 100 or 1000 or something like that. So I saw that one, A into B into C, which is 2 into 1768 into 50. When I saw that one here, 2 and 50 can be multiplied and I'll get a 100 here. How? 2 into 50, which is nothing but 100. And whatever a number is multiplied with 10, 100 or 1000, we know only the zeros will be added there. How? So when we add 10 into 5, how much we are getting? 50. When we add 100 into 7 or 17, suppose, so 1700 we are getting. Yes or no? So here we got 2 into 50 is how much? 100. Now we got an answer 100 into 1768. So here only 2 zeros are there, so nothing we have to do. 1768 and 2 zeros I'll be adding here. So this will be the answer for this question. Now I am solving one more question from the exercise, which is the C number point. 8 into 291 into 125. Let us see the same formula, A into B into C. What you are taking, you have to take it, we have to select it wisely, by which you will be getting some 1000 or 100 like that value. So here we saw that one, 8 into 125, if we will multiply, how much we will get? 1000. Yes or no? How? Let us see. Okay, 8 5s are 40, 0 I have kept here and 4 I have carried here. Okay, so 8 to the 16 plus 4 is again 20. So again I have written 0 here and 2 I have taken here. 8 1 8 plus 2. So when I got 1000, it will be very much easy for me to multiply with this one. How? Now I got 8 into 125 into 291. So let us see, I got the answer 8 into 125, which is 1000 and 291. So as I have already told, I simply have to write the zeros here. How many zeros are there? That many zeros I'll write, then I'll get the answer. This is the associative property of this number. So there are few other questions are there. You just try by yourself, and this is a very easy chapter. You have already studied this chapter. So thank you.